IPython notebook clear cell output in code. In an IPython notebook, I have a while loop that listens to a serial port and print the received data in real time. What I want to achieve to only show the latest received data, i.e. only one line showing the most recent data. No scrolling in the cell output area. What I need, I think, is to clear the old cell output when I receives new data, and then prints the new data. I am wondering how can I clear old data programmatically.
You can use ipython.display.clear_output to clear the output of a cell. At the end of this loop you will only see one hello world. Without a code example it's not easy to give you working code. Probably buffering the latest n events is a good strategy. Whenever the buffer changes you can clear the cell's output and print the buffer again.
You can use the ipython.display.clear_output to clear the output as mentioned in cell's answer. I would add that for me the best solution was to use this combination of parameters to print without any shakiness of the notebook.
You can have a better visualization of the function clear_output weight equals true with this simple code.
Simple. If you want to clear the output of that current cell, only just use this at the end of that cell.
Thank you.